Aging, biological program that limits the lifespan of an individual. Without any further delay, let's start.
Concept of biological clock. Organism possesses a physiological mechanism for measuring time. This is known as biological clock. Each biological rhythm is comprised of repeating unit called cycles. The length of the time required to complete an entire cycle is called rhythms period. The magnitude of the change in activity during a cycle is called the amplitude. The amplitude at any portion of the cycle is called phase.
Biological clocks of biological rhythms may be characterized by following properties. Biological clocks are temperature compensated. Biological clocks are generally unaffected by metabolic pathways. The period of biological rhythm occur with approximately the same frequency of one or more environment features. The biological period can be entrained to environment cues. The self-sustaining mechanism may be set and adjust according to input from the external environment.